Hey, everybody. Thank you so much for joining. I want to very quickly show you how to find cheap hotel rooms, cheap cruises, and cheap rental cars. Now, when I say find cheap, I don't mean like low quality. I want to help you save money booking like five-star hotels at three-star prices. So yeah, it's super duper easy. So let me show you how to get it done, how to make this so simple for you. Sorry, I'm from Texas, so I talk with my hands. Okay, so let me share with you the very first step to find cheaper prices on hotels, cruises, and rental cars is for you to log into your I Go for Less free travel booking website. Okay, so I'm going to pull mine up here. I'm going to actually minimize my face so you can see the full screen here. Okay, so here we are on the I Go for Less site. Let me just move my screen really quick. So if you do not have an I Go for Less website yet, it is a membership only website, but it's 100% free to the customer. So if you do not have one yet and you want to have your own very own travel booking portal, your I Go for Less website, all you need to do is contact me and I will send you an activation code and give you your very own free site. There's no catches, there's no membership fees, nothing. It's free to try and free to keep. So let's look at this site. I'm going to show you how to find the discounted travel. Okay. So our company buys in bulk and then offers discounts to you. So if you scroll down here on the page, you can just see some of the great deals that are available right now as of me while I'm recording this. So 35% savings going to California. Here we go, 50% to go to Bali, 59%. Anybody like to go to Disney? Okay, so these are just some of the deals. So all you have to do to find out what deals we're offering at the moment. So this is kind of like shopping at Ross or Marshall's. You don't know exactly what hotels are going to be offered. Because again, we're buying in wholesale bulk. So you have to be a little bit flexible with where you're going to stay. So let's just, for example, say that you want to go for a week in Cancun, Mexico. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to click on the weeks tab because that means that you're going to want to stay somewhere for 7 full nights. It's taking my site just a second, so give it just a minute, okay? So now all I'm going to do is I'm going to select the destination. So let's say you want to go to Cancun. And let's say you want to go, it's June now, so let's give ourselves a little bit of time. Let's say you want to go the first week of August. So we're going to stay August the 4th, and we want to stay within a week of August 4th, okay? So now it's going to go search all the best deals, and then it's going to pull them up for us. So here we are looking at, let's be picky. Let's look for like a 4 or 5 star place. So that's a 4-star, but it's really not that picture right there. Honestly, that's not doing it for me. So let's keep scrolling down. Okay, yeah, let's look at this one, the Mayan Palace, Mayan Riviera. It's a 5-star resort. Wow. And look at this price over here, guys, $263 for the entire 7 nights. So it's $38 per night. That's a pretty crazy deal. So crazy cool. So that's all you have to do is just go look at hotels, cruises, cars. Now, I do want to say this because I always like to put this out there for everybody. We do not offer, our site does not offer discounts on flights. We do offer you the availability of booking just for convenience on our site, but we do not have discounts on flights. Airlines do not give discounts. They don't let you buy in bulk and give discounts. They just don't do it. So you do earn reward points on our site, but there is no discount. Also, one more thing, I want to remind everybody, as you're using your I Go for Less website, I want to make sure you know that if you find a better price somewhere, which it happens, we're not going to have the best price 100% of the time. We're not perfect, okay? But if you do find a better price somewhere, all you got to do is once you log into your site, is all you do is go copy and paste that URL from where there was a better price and what that price was, and within 48 to 72 hours we will add the 110% of the difference to your account in reward points. Okay, so there that makes it even a, you know, it's like a fail proof, foolproof, fail, I don't know. Anyway, it's a good deal. All right, so again, let me show you the lifestyle tab. So we also have on our site that you can do activities like golf, restaurant savings. I bought a $100 restaurant gift card for $10 on the site, so that was pretty cool. So there's always different deals going on our site, so make sure you check that out as well. Okie dokie, so that's pretty much it. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you want your own free I Go for Less site, please, I'll put down in the description below or up above, depending on where you're watching this video, and just contact me and I'll be glad to give you your own site. No catches. I only earn a commission if you travel. There is no fee at all for you to have your own site. So thanks for watching, and I hope to see you on the beaches of the world. All right, bye-bye.